Hi guys! Good evening! 8:40 na. Mag-8:38 na. Mag-8:40 na ng gabi. At maghihiwa ako ng snack. Snack ko at snack niyang asawa ko. So, ang snack ng asawa ko is watermelon at saka mango. So, ako naman, snack ko is yogurt, at saka strawberry and this, chocolate Nutella. Isasaw-saw ko lang siya, guys. So, ang gagawin ko ngayon is hihiwain ko yung sa kanya. Matamis dito yung ano nila. Yung watermelon.
What is going on with the education in America?
Huh?
With Gates.
Ang watermelon kasi is, ano siya, very sweet. At the same time, ano siya, antioxidant. So, stay dehydrated kapag ganitong kinakain. So, ang tamis. Kailangan kung minsan siya nang gawa nito. Ako naman kasi medyo nakakapagpina na ako kahit papaano pag siyang gumagawa nito. So, oops, sorry. Malinis yan. Nililinisan ko naman to eh. In-explain. Diba? Ganyan. Tapos, ito nang gagawin. Tignan natin kung maganda ang medyo ano siya. Medyo hindi maganda pero okay na rin siya. Hindi katulad dyan sa Pinas na maganda talaga yung ano nila dyan. Ang bango. Ang bango ng mangga dito.
Oh, at Ford.
No.
Yes.
No.
Yes.
Did you lose an
Wala akong work ngayon. Kaninang work ko. Maga.
I did, yes.
So,
Connor.
kaninang maga, nagpunta kami sa ano, friends niya. Nag-fire pit kami dun sa malapit sa river.
Excellent point, considering we're not supposed to be in here.
Mhm.
We, over here.
She flirts to the sofa.
I'll check over here.
Behind the resolute desk, Ben opens a drawer setting off internal mechanisms. Turning to Connor, Abigail plays the helplessly sexy card.
Do you think it fell down here?
Yes.
Connor bends down with Abigail to look under the sofa. Ben pulls the second drawer to the
Tapos, don't mind yan guys, movie yan, pinapanood namin.
Probably.
Ay, din ko na rin to.
Sighing, Abigail peers under the
Sarap.
sofa.
Tapos ito, kakainin ko na rin to. Hindi naman nakain ng laso yun eh.
Drawers and an engraved block pops out of the desk.
You did sit on the sofa.
Oh, the bunnies.
They search through toy bunnies. Abigail throws her earring on the sofa.
Connor. You
Ito na yung kanya. Kanyang, kanyang,
Covering an empty hollow where the pack should be, runs his finger along it. Abigail puts her arms around Connor.
thank you so much.
tapos, ito naman,
Photographs the drawer.
ganito yung gagawin ko sa akin. Yogurt sa akin. At, ito siya guys.
She pats Connor's back and stands.
Tapos, gagalagay ko siya dyan. Minsan, blueberries ang nilalagay ko dito, guys. Nakita niyo naman siguro ako dati kumain ako nito. So, yan. Yung yogurt ko nakakainin ko ngayong gabi. Marami ako nito. Dalawa siguro nabili ko nito. Dalawang malalaking ganito. At after nyan, ang gagawin ko is yung ito siya. Malalaki din siya. Yan o. Huhugasan ko siya. Of course, huhugasan mo para malinis. Kailangan ko lang siguro nito is 4 lang na piraso. Kasi malalaki siya. Okay na to. Okay na yan. Tapos, lalagay ko sa balik sa rep. Tapos, after nyan, ganito ko siyang kakainin, guys. So chocolatey. Look. Ito ko yung kakainin, guys. Oh. Panoorin nyo.
Did you know that gain super flings were created
Ay, shitty ka.
by scientists?
Nea.
Supersized the fling and
Gamitan ko nga nito.
3 times
Minsan kasi,
4 times the oxyclean
okay na to. Medyo okay na.
gain super flings.
Ibibigay ko na lang yung kanya.
More hydration, more dryness relief. CeraVe, developed
Ganito ang gagawin ko dyan.
demanded by me, your skin. For more intense 72-hour hydration, I demand CeraVe Intensive Moisturizing Lotion.
You know those times when you're not drinking, but you really fancy a lovely cold smooth.
Kain tayo. Chocolate.
Guess what?
Chocolate and strawberry Nutella.
We've taken the alcohol out, but left the
Mmm.
in.
Did you just make the living room your obstacle course?
Mm.
Did. It's everyday athletes like you who inspired Subway's new fresh fit menu featuring rotisserie-style chicken.
Oh my God.
Grams of protein at under 500 calories. Subway.
Mahal ang Nutella sa atin, pero sobrang sarap.
Plus, we got free checked bags with my TD Aeroplan Visa Infinite card.
Everything's better when you save on vacation.
Or like a savecation. That's good. Oh, yeah.
TD. Ready for
Yogurt.
When I'm congested, I can't breathe, can't sleep. That's why I Navage. Power Solution gives me the power to remove congestion fast by flushing out germs, mucus.
Remember, yogurt is good for your gut. Good for your increased digestion.
Doctor recommended
So,
Mornings are made of little moments.
that's why.
Your cereal's zero sugar sidekick.
One more.
Smooth flavor of silk soy to add plant
Tapos, turn up ko na yan. Kasi nga, bibigay ko pa yung ano niya, yung ano ng asawa ko, yung kanyang snacks.
changing. But with every challenge comes a chance to build better, stronger. We're investing
Just
in
like this.
ourselves,
Oh, wait lang.
buying Canadian, prospering
Ito, guys.
resources and critical minerals. Our plan is to create jobs, build affordable homes, break down barriers between provinces, and expand global trade. This is our moment to build a strong economy by Canadians for Canadians. A message from the government of Canada.
Lysol knows when the whole house is sick, your laundry is sick. Adding Lysol laundry disinfectant kills 99.9% of illness-causing
Wag laging
detergents.
kumain ng chocolate.
Don't just
It's
clean,
bad for you.
disinfect.
Pero, minsan, pero kailangan part nila ng prutas. Tapusin ko na to, guys. Okay na. Bibigay ko na sa asawa ko. Ayun, asawa ko. Labi.
What? Chocolate.
What you gonna say?
Thank you.
Ayun lang, guys. Bye! Kakain na ako ng ano ko.